No one likes sunburn. It hurts. Not to mention, the sun's invisible UV rays age your skin and can lead to some cancers. So you do things to protect your skin. But did you forget your eyes? UVA and especially UVB rays are as bad for your eyes as for your skin. Intense sun over a short period can cause corneal sunburn or photokeratitis. Sun damage also adds up over time and can lead to cataracts and other conditions. And UV really likes to pick on kids. By 18, they've received up to 80% of their lifetime exposure. So eye protection isn't something to skip for anyone. Ah, you might be thinking, but I wear sunglasses. Well, good for you. They help. Keep wearing them. Your regular eyeglasses help too, but UV still sneaks in from the sides. Wear AccuView brand contact lenses under those shades though, and you'll boost your UV protection. For those who need vision correction, all AccuView brand contacts help protect the covered portions of your eyes from UV more than other leading brands. In fact, AccuView Oasis brand, AccuView Advanced brand, and One Day AccuView True Eye are the only lens brands to earn a seal of acceptance for ultraviolet absorbing contact lenses. So grab your AccuView brand contacts, some stylish sunglasses, and a wide-brimmed hat. You'll be looking cool and helping to keep your vision clear for years to come.